found a little difference between new stock and old stock. So here was the old circuit breakers. I don't know if you could read or see that right there. I'm gonna let you see that right there. And then here's the new ones that are the supposedly exact replacements for that one right there. So you can do it side to side so you could read them. But they don't fit. There you go. Now, when looking at these, it's only a few thousandths of an inch difference, and I mean almost not noticeable. But when you look at this from this direction sitting down here, and this is where the problem is. This one shoulder here is a few thousandths, and I mean, I don't even know if you could see it, my eyes could see it, that this is lower than this shoulder. It's back this way more. This is forward, it's up this way more. This one is back a little, back more. And the problem is with the new ones, they fit, everything fits in perfectly. But where the bus bar is, where you see that little flare out right there, it wants the seat where it flares and opens up right there. It doesn't want a seat right here where my screwdriver is. This is where it should seat, but it's pushing it back to where it wants to hit this flare. And when you go to push it in, it's trying to push in straight right where you see that little nick. I could actually see where it hits there and there as it flares. Now, when you put it down to this bus bar where there is no flare because it goes on to the other bus, it easily goes on. Then when you come back to this one where the flare is, it doesn't fit. It's in the manufacturing and it's only a few thousandths difference. And you know, this is old, out of date, and when you look on, they say they no longer support this anymore. But here's a manufacturing tolerance difference, and it's only within thousandths of an inch, but you cannot shove that on when it comes to those ones there, and it easily goes on to those ones there. Yeah, frustrating.